Hi everyone, this is Forlisa. Welcome back to Homebody. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple tablescape that I put together for Christmas. I just want to share it with you guys. In the video, at the end of this video, I'm also going to share with you guys the 2 DIYs that I did in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Homebody, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started on the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to tell you where I purchased all of these items from. So anyway, this champagne wine bag here came from Z Gallery. Regular price was $12.95. I think I got it for like 20 or 25% off. So I probably paid about $9 or $10 for it. So this particular tea light came from Z Gallery. The actual candle came from Hobby Lobby, I think, or either at home. This is a glass here that I just flipped over. This glass actually came from Ross, and I just flipped it over and used it as a candle holder, and it was actually $4.99. Then I have another tea light holder. The canister is a Victorian. The canister actually came from Z Gallery. And this actual fur cover here actually came from Pier 1. I think I paid like $9 for it. Of course, these are my Totally Dazzled brooches here. This is my DIY. If you're interested in seeing how I made the DIY, I'll show that next. This is a Totally Dazzled brooch and some fur wrap that came from actual Big Lots on last year. My tea light holders here came from Z Gallery, and everything is the same on the opposite side. My actual table runner came from Hobby Lobby, and it was regular $29, but I think I got it for like 50% off. So you guys, if you're interested in seeing how I created these, just keep watching. And I also threw in a little video at the end on what I did to get this pillow to be glammed out using Totally Dazzled bling wrap and this ribbon that I showed you guys in a previous video. So anyway, this is the end of this video, you guys. I am enjoying Christmas, you guys. I am a decorating fanatic when it comes to Christmas. I just be at home. That's why I named my channel Homebody, because I'm a homebody. I'm always at home, living my best life in my home, enjoying my home. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
So basically what I'm doing is taking an old candle that I had laying around the home, which I thought was very, very unique, and taking this decorative garland and creating like a cover around my garland. I've already pre-cut the garland into threes, and I have a Totally Dazzled brooch and I'm going to be pinning in my garland. So basically I'm going to take my glue gun and use that as well. So I have my garland. I'm going to wrap it around the actual candle, and I'm going to only place the glue on the garland, not on my candle, because I do not want to damage my candle. I'm going to repeat that process 3 times. Once I do that, I'm going to take my Totally Dazzled brooch and pin it through my garland, and then I'm going to take that and set it on top of the bottom of my wine glass, which you will see I do have an overhang. I basically use that overhang to hide the base of the wine glass. So here's the wine glass that I'm going to set the candle on top of, and after that I'm going to go ahead and start on the next quick DIY, which is when I'm going to take my Totally Dazzled bling wrap and a bow that I made in a previous DIY, and I'm going to take a pillow that I have around the house and just take that bling wrap and pin it to the back of the pillow with some safety pins, and use the bow that I made in the previous DIY and pin that with safety pins to the Totally Dazzled bling wrap. And what I like about this is it's going to be easy for me to take off once the holidays are up. I'll show you at the end how they are pinned. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.